what are the different success factors for integrated compliance, right? We have gone through the evolution slide where Dave has shown from how we can move from a paper-based to digitalization and, ultimately to the digital transformation, right? Critical thinking is the initial factor, like which you can consider for the computerized systems. Again, within the context of the business process, it supports and also combination of people, process, and technology, right? Having that robust knowledge of what the intended use and having the clarity is very important. Understanding where the risks are in terms of patient safety, product quality, data integrity, and also to the business, because now we are merging both GxP and non-GxP together. And applying that critical thinking will help you out to go ahead and choose a particular methodology and approach that is easy and that doesn't amount to a lot of documentation in place, but which caters to the purpose of what the implementation is and also is a sustainable process. So analyzing the risk at the system level and the requirement level is something where critical thinking comes into picture. Again, differentiating those validation versus assurance based on the type of risk. If it's a low risk, how you can leverage even unscripted testing, what assurance activities that have been done by some of the development teams can be leveraged is very helpful, and applying that critical thinking is important. The next success factor for integrated compliance is adopting agile software development, right? In a traditional approach, usually business process owners, quality groups are involved at a detailed level of key stages, like either they approve the entire URS or they review all the acceptance test results, right? Whereas with Agile, it is more a continuous cycle of involvement against more of your manageable items of delivery through sprints. So having that mindset of discovery, having that mindset of working software rather than just delivering, documentation, comprehensive documentation, also having the mindset of customer collaboration over contract negotiation and responding to a change over following a plan is very important for us to get that step closer to the integration. Nowadays, the scenario is with regulated companies, there is increased utilization of information system services, like companies to provide your either infrastructure, software, or some data services. So regulated companies must establish a risk-based assessment and also governance strategy to ensure that the service providers are adhering to IT quality and also information security controls, right? So that it ensures that services and solutions are right fit for the intended use and data integrity is maintained. So having a robust third-party risk and supplier management is critical. I've seen a lot of companies where risk management and supplier management is only specific to your procurement process. Bless you. So your procurement process where required IT or quality technology side quality functions are not part of it, and you're just rolling out and accepting vendors, but where you have to make sure that you have this robust process. Again, utilizing tools instead of documents, this is the biggest benefit, and it speeds up your updates the way the supplier is providing, and there is always acceptance of what it is there versus just producing documentation to the updates and providing, going ahead and approving those. For all of these to be successfully implemented, not just for even integrated, even as you all might have witnessed for CSA implementations also, organizational change management comes into picture, where that adoption, where that change mindset can be brought into the people's minds, and all the departments can successfully collaborate. To Ken's point earlier, collaboration is a very big